This is the origami cup. You can put stuff inside like your french fries or whatever you want, or you can pour liquid inside. So it's a pretty legit cup. To make the cup, you'll need a square sheet of paper. To make a square for a rectangle, take the upper corner and fold it to this edge. Then crease it. Flip the paper over. Then fold the strip up like this. Crease it well. And tear on the crease. Fold on this crease. Then take this edge and fold it to this edge. Unfold and take this point and fold it to where the crease ends. And take this point and fold it here. We're repeating what we did on the other side. Take one layer of the triangle. There should still be a second layer. Fold it down. And make sure there's two sharp points on the end. Flip the paper over and do the same. Fold it as much as it'll go, and it should create two sharp points. Then open the cup and shape it.